have your subscribers. This is all about the how to install proper door stopper between the door and the mirror. There is no stopper right now, and it's just bumping right to the sliding door mirror of the cabinet. I'm going to install hinge door stopper, and this is the proper door stopper that I have to install on the hinge. Just remove the pin for the hinge. And install the pin on the door stopper. Then install it back, the pin, with the door stopper. Now one door stopper, hinge door stopper has been installed, and I have to install another one on the top. Remove it. And install another one. And do it this sideways. And the same thing installed on the top. Now it's installed. We have the adjustment on the rod here so that you can adjust the proper distance between the mirror and the door. So right now I've just adjusted the distance, and we'll see if that's good enough. And I just adjusted also this one. Now let's check. See, now it's not bumping anymore on the sliding door mirror of the cabinet. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please subscribe and share. See you next time.